making better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's Blurryface and I care what you think. My name's Blurryface and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Smell will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take the ladder. My name's Blurryface and I care what you think. My name's Blurryface and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out.
Yeah, today we're down here at the Stock Bridge. We came down here flicking for reddies. So we've caught quite a few of them so far, and I'm just using a little soft plastic here on a real light jig head. And as I was pretty much just stuffing around really and holding it up on the, moving it along the surface, and I saw this massive shadow pretty much just come up and have a go at it. And I was pretty excited, and she didn't take it, but then after that, I popped her straight back in, and she inhaled it.
Yeah,
so,
good job.
Not a bad looking yellow.
Yeah, we'll get the release.